Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing well. So in the last week trading plan for 3rd November expiry, that is today, we had shorted 18,200 call and 17,600 put. And जैसे कि हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं हमारा जो position है, so all the options have become OTM and we have got a profit of around 3,500, which was the max profit in this position. So we have closed the current week option position in profit of around 3,500, which was a good profit for the position as well. And we had covered a good, we have covered the losses as well that we have incurred because of the volatility in the last week. So this was the update for the last week trading plan. Now we will be starting with the next week trading plan, which is on 10th November, on 11th November. I had opened the charts of Nifty currently. So now we have to plot support and resistance for Nifty. अगर हम यहाँ पे जैसे support देख सकते हैं Nifty को, the one support that Nifty has is at this level, which is 17,613. So यहाँ पे एक support है Nifty को, and जो resistance है अगर हम देखें तो एक जो resistance है वो यहाँ पर है currently, which is at 18,342. We will be following shorting this thing puts. We will be shorting put below 18,600, 17,600, and जो upside है we won't short 18,350 call, but instead we will short around we will take this as a resistance because यहाँ पे it had gave rally and वापस से यहाँ पे again we had seen a good dip in market. So हमारा जो resistance रहेगा निफ्टी के अंदर it will be at this level, it is 18,112. 18,012. So जो हम अपसाइड जो कॉल हम शॉर्ट करेंगे हमारे पोजीशन में, it will be around, we will just move it up slightly just to keep some buffer in our position. So we will be shorting calls at 18,100. So ये हमारे दो स्ट्राइक्स है जिसके हम पोजीशन लेंगे. So just to give summary, so we will be shorting 18,100 call option, and जो downside है we will be shorting 17,600 put as of now. And जो हम hedge करेंगे हमारा position, तो we will be buying 200 points away option from the, so basically 18,100 plus 200. So हम 18,300 का call option buy करेंगे, and on the downside we will be buying 17,600 minus 200, which means 17,400 का put हम buy करेंगे to hedge up the position जो हमारा naked position है उसके लिए, just to manage the risk and जो unlimited risk है उसको avoid करने के लिए. नाउ एन इम्पोर्टेंट अपडेट की जैसे आप सबको मालूम है कि कल दिवाली, कल मुहर्रम ट्रेडिंग है एंड इट इज शेड्यूल्ड अराउंड 6 to 7 PM. सो उसके बाद फ्राइडे है, सो फ्राइडे को वापस हॉलीडे, एंड देन जो मार्केट रहेगा वो डायरेक्टली मंडे को ओपन होगा, विच इज ऑन 8 नवंबर. सो दोज हु वांट टू टेक पोजीशन, दे कैन टेक पोजीशन टुमारो इटसेल्फ, व्हिच इज ऑन मुहर्रम ट्रेडिंग डे, एंड तब they can take position with the proper risk, with the proper trading plan as well. And अगर जिसको पोजीशन नहीं लेना तो दे कैन अवॉइड द पोजीशन एज वेल, इट्स फाइन, बिकॉज हर वीक ट्रेड करना इज नॉट मैंडेटरी फॉर एवरीवन. सो दिस इज अबाउट द ट्रेडिंग अपडेट एंड जो हमारा एग्जिट प्लान रहेगा इसके अंदर. सो इफ निफ्टी क्लोजेस अबाउट 18,100 या फिर निफ्टी क्लोजेस बिलो 17,600, देन हम अपनी सारी पोजीशन क्लोज कर देंगे उस केस में. एंड अगर निफ्टी ये ट्रेड्स इन दिस रेंज टिल द एक्सपायरी डे, तो हम लोग अपनी पोजीशन को होल्ड करेंगे टिल एक्सपायरी एंड we will eat the premium, जैसे कि हमने लास्ट वीक देखा था. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty. अभी हम प्रीमियम्स देखेंगे ऑप्शंस के एंड we will see the payoff as well. So जो लास्ट वीक के ऑप्शंस के प्रीमियम से सारे जीरो हो गए, जैसे कि यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. एंड we will now load the premiums for next week expiry. So first we will be 17,600 put option 11th November and 17,400, which is 200 points away option. Now 18,100 call option as decided, and 18,300 call option as a hedge. So ये हमारे premiums, this premiums you are getting as of now. कल premiums अलग हो गए, but trading plan still remains the same. So ये हमारे premiums and we are getting good premiums as well. अभी हम payoff charts भी देखते हैं इसका. So we will use Opsta platform. So I will just load all the positions here. Uh, 11th November 18,100 call sell. And जो downside है, it is 17,600 put option, which is again sell. So ये जो अपनी पोजीशन है, it is without hedge, and यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें तो हमारा जो मार्जिन रिक्वायर्ड है, it is around 1.1 lakhs. The maximum profit is around 4.7k and probability of profit is around 64%. So अभी हम इसके अंदर अपने hedge positions भी ऐड कर देंगे. So first you will add a 17,400 put option. And on upside 18,300 call option. So ये सारी positions I have loaded on Opstra. So अभी यहाँ पे सारे payoff वगैरह भी है. So probability of profit is now 58%. जो maximum profit है, it has reduced to 2,900. And जो maximum loss था वो पहले unlimited था, but अभी now it is defined to 7,000, around 7,000 rupees per lot. The margin that is required for this position is around 47,000. So this is the payoff chart, and ये जो payoff chart है, इसका जो link है, I will upload in the description section so that everyone can track the position as well. And that's it for today's option trading strategy plan for the 11th November expiry. So this is all about today's video. And we have already discussed about entry and exit plan and what one should do. And if you have learned anything from this video, and so then you can like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel as well, so that you can get notified for all the informative and learning videos that we are uploading for everyone. So this is all about this, and there is a disclaimer as well. Thank you guys.